Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 9, and today I want to show you how you can manage App Permission Manager. Go into Settings, then scroll down and choose Apps. Now Permissions and Permissions again. I will go with Location, so I have to tap on it and pick one of the apps, for example Google. Over here, choose one of the options: allow all the time, allow only while using the app, or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back, I can see that Google gained access to my device location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!